Hello guys and welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First I want to tell you what it means. It's from Portuguese and it means no people, just random photos from your gallery. So this is what we will do. First we will have to go to our Instagram app, and then from there you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen. And now I will show you from where you can get that sticker. Now you have to go to Ali and John YTT. So you have to go on my Instagram profile, and then from there you have to go to September, add yours at highlights. Click on that, and this is the place where you will find that sticker. So there we have it. Now you have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I'll do the story, I will give you a video, a link to show you how you can fix that problem. But first, let me do the story, and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. Now you have to go to your uploads and choose some random photos with no people in them. So I will go ahead and choose my first photo. I will go with this one. Now you can place it where you want by moving it with 2 fingers. And then to add a second photo, you have to click add stickers from the top of the screen, which is here. And you have to scroll down and click on this plus icon. And there you will get to your gallery and you can choose your second photo. So this is how you can do your story with that sticker. And now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram profile on Ali and John YTT, but this time you will have to click on super viral at highlights. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here where the arrow points, and it will get it to my YouTube channel, the same YouTube channel, World of Apps, and to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to click on that if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So if you want another other viral stickers, you can click here and you will find them. So yeah guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, you can like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can comment in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.